One of the weirdest shopping villages I've ever seen. It's like there's a porta cabin stuck together. Well, hello, good morning. Straight into another ride after the day before. Different destination today. Similar roads. I'm checking out a new cafe in Winterton. It's located in the Winterton shopping village, which is I've been past it a few times. It's interesting to say the least. But been on the Facebook page. It's open. Been posting the last few days, so I'm going to check it out and have a breakfast there this morning. Wow, can you blame me if you're getting out today? It's awesome, isn't it? Look at this. And next weekend is looking like, I know it's a bit far away, but next weekend looks like it's going to be similar weather, so fingers crossed to get out again. Yeah, check out that view. Start going back into the wind again, but not for long. Once I get down there, I should be alright. One of the weirdest shopping villages I've ever seen. It's like there's a porta cabin stuck together. But anyway, the food was really nice, really enjoyed it. Just what I needed really. And check that weather out, still great. So I just had a fry up really in there. 2 sausages, 2 bacon, tomatoes, 4 slices of bread, a couple eggs, mushrooms, £4.50. Free tea and coffee as well. It was awesome. Right, onwards. Well folks, just finished the middle part of my ride. We're travelling north to south, Appleby to Waddingham. It's been all out into the wind, quite uphill at times as well. Nothing severe, but just steady. And sit down for 5 minutes, catch my breath more than anything else. It's a lovely day though, it continues to be a lovely day. Bike's a bit filthy though, look at the state of my bike. To be fair though, I've not cleaned it since yesterday, so clean it a little bit later on I think. There you go folks, that's a wrap, that's another ride over with. A you want to ride it for yourself with my guest, the links in the description area below this video. Have a go if you want. Until next time, I'll see you again soon. Have a good week. Ciao.